If you're going on a journey, it's very important that your direction be clear. If your direction is clear, then you will eventually arrive at where you're heading to. So Zen Master Sungsan, for his students when he began teaching in the West, created an outline that he called the Compass of Zen, how to find our way as we practice. He gave many lectures over the years on each section of this outline, and it's been gathered together into a book. So in this course, we'll be discussing the sections of this book and how the teachings of the Buddha can help us keep a clear direction in our practice in our life.